Okay, it's 24 hours later and our epoxy is fully cured, so I can remove all of my clamps and get a look at what we've done. Okay, so as I would expect, we've got quite a bit of epoxy residue on the surface of our ring of inlay. So what I need to do next is mount my bowl back on my lathe, and with the lathe running, I will sand the surface of my inlay starting with 80 grit sandpaper, and I will go through 120, 150, 180, and finish with 220 grit sandpaper. And by then we'll be rid of the epoxy residue and our inlay will be one beautiful smooth ring. I'll also lightly resand the interior of the bowl and its edge and the underside of the rim to get rid of any residual epoxy that got on those surfaces during our glue up. But if you give me a few minutes on the lathe, we'll get back together and we'll put our first coat of finish on the bowl, and with that we'll see the grain and color pop to life, and that's always a rewarding stage of any project, so stay tuned. So I've sanded the bowl and I've given it the first of probably 3 or 4 coats of finish, but I wanted you to see it with the color that the finish imparts. And I hope you can see that what would otherwise have been an ordinary bowl is now something very special given our inlay. And I hope I've inspired you to create your own round inlay. Thank you.